Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So yeah guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to clean your junk files on your Huawei device. So there's actually two ways to do this, and the first way is the shorter way, it's the shortcut, and also we have the long way. I'm going to show you guys both for this video just so that you guys know how to do both. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, I'm going to show you guys the long way. So what you guys are going to want to do is open up your settings, and then you guys are going to want to scroll down to storage and then hit cleanup. And as you guys can see, the first thing, which is junk files, and cleaning junk files can like reduce your space by a lot, because sometimes there could be even 800 MB worth of just junk files. And don't worry, you won't actually, like as you guys can see, I have 1.8 GB, and by cleaning that you save a lot of memory. So try to do this as often as you can. So just hit clean up, and there you go, it will clean up. So now I'm going to show you guys the short way. So I'm actually going to come out of both of this, and the second way to do it is, if you guys look for your optimizer on your phone, you guys should be able to click that, and in here you guys can see cleanup, and it'll take you right back to the same place. But some devices, maybe you guys may have removed the optimizer icon, then you guys have to do it the longer way. So as you guys can see, it takes you back to the same place, and if you guys didn't do the longer method, as you guys can see, there's still some junk file. Clean that. So that is it for today's video. I hope you guys learned something. If you guys want me to do any other tutorials, let me know in the comments down below, and with that, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.